Hi guys, I'm Allie. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a homemade body scrub with only 3 ingredients. These ingredients are sugar, coconut oil, and lemon essential oil. As you can see, I already pre-measured 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of coconut oil. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and pour in the 2 cups of sugar and our cup of coconut oil. Now you want to make sure you stir it up thoroughly. Once you're done stirring up your mixture, we're going to go ahead and add in the essential oil. I'm using lemon, but you can use any to your liking. You want to go ahead and drop in 10 drops. Now we want to mix it in. Smells so good. Now this part is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and add in some lemon zest for an extra touch of color. And when you're finished stirring up your mixture, you can put them in small airtight jars like these. As you can see, I went ahead and filled up my jars with the lemon scrub. If you follow the exact recipe that I did, you could fill about 5 4-ounce jars for perfect little giveaway gifts. Anyway, that's all for now. Thank you for watching my easy homemade tutorial. Bye!